Mary.
Pray
Pray
to
to
Padre
Padre
Pio.
Pio.
Pray
Pray
to the
to the
Lord
Lord
Jesus
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
My
My
whole
whole
body is
body is
tingling
tingling
right
right
now,
now,
Doc
Doc
Lisa.
Lisa.
Ito,
Ito,
ang
ang
kapal-kapal.
kapal-kapal.
It's
It's
like a
like a
spirit
spirit
came
came
here,
here,
all
all
over
over
here.
here.
I
I
thought
thought
I
I
had
had
high
high
blood
blood
pressure,
pressure,
natatakot
natatakot
ako.
ako.
So
So
I
I
got them
got
to
them to
check my
check my
BP now.
BP now.
This is
This
my
is my
BP.
BP.
115
115
over
over
74.
74.
My
My
BP
BP
3
3
days
days
ago
ago
is
is
only
only
85
85
over
over
50.
50.
3
3
days
days
ago,
ago,
I
I
was
was
vomiting,
vomiting,
shouting,
shouting,
delirious.
delirious.
Heart
Heart
rate is
rate is
always
always
118,
118,
temperature
temperature
36.8.
36.8.
Hindi po
Hindi
ako
po ako
nagloloko.
nagloloko.
Hindi to
Hindi to
bola-bola.
bola-bola.
Life
Life
and
and
death to.
death to.
Baka
Baka
bukas patay
patay
na
na
ako.
ako.
If
If
I
I
live,
live,
I
I
will
will
live
live
for
for
you.
you.
I
I
will
will
live
live
for
for
every
every
Juan de
Juan
la
de la
Cruz.
Cruz.
We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We
We
should
should
love the
love the
earth.
earth.
No
No
to
to
mining.
mining.
We
We
should
should
tax
tax
the
the
correct
correct
people.
people.
Stop the
Stop the
corruption.
corruption.
Look,
Look,
the
the
Philippines
Philippines
is
is
so
so
rich.
rich.
You
You
politicians,
politicians,
you
you
bribe the
bribe the
people.
people.
You
You
give
give
them
them
money
money
to
to
vote
vote
for you.
for
You
you. You
keep
keep
them
them
stupid.
stupid.
You
You
want
want
them
them
stupid.
stupid.
Take
Take
this.
this.
Low
Low
phosphate
phosphate
po
po
ako.
ako.
Lactulose.
Lactulose.
Low
Low
phosphate.
phosphate.
Spironolactone
Spironolactone
Lasix.
Lasix.
Diflam
Diflam
lozenges
lozenges
for
for
the
the
throat.
throat.
To
To
Albi.
Albi.
Ayoko
Ayoko
ako lang
ako lang
gagaling.
gagaling.
Naiiyak
Naiiyak
ako.
ako.
I was crying
crying
because they
they
have the
had the
best
best
health care.
healthcare.
Our
Our
Filipinos have
have
no
no
health
health
care.
care.
This is the new Doc
Doc
Willie.
Willie.
Sorry for
For
those
those
watching.
watching.
I
I
have to
have
do
to do
this.
this.
This is
This
my
is my
mission.
mission.
Live
Live
or
or
die,
die,
I
I
will be
will be
true to
true to
myself.
myself.
The
The
only
only
reason to
reason to
live
live
is
is
I
I
love
love
my
my
daughter,
daughter,
Catherine.
Catherine.
I
I
want to
want to
live.
live.
I
I
love
love
Yen
Yen
Yen.
Yen.
I
I
love
love
Jelly.
Jelly.
I
I
love
love
Lisa.
Lisa.
I
I
love
love
Ryan.
Ryan.
I
I
love
love
Mark.
Mark.
I
I
love
love
all
all
the
the
nurses
nurses
here.
here.
I
I
also
also
love
love
all the
all the
politicians
politicians
there. You
there.
are
You
my
are my
friends.
friends.
Di ba
Di ba
kaibigan
kaibigan
tayo?
tayo?
Pero
Pero
masakit
masakit
sa
sa
akin na
akin na
namamatay yung
namamatay yung
mahihirap
mahihirap
natin.
natin.
Everything
Everything
I do for you. Ako
Ako
na
na
pinakamalinis
pinakamalinis
na
na
ginagawa.
ginagawa.
Binababoy
Binababoy
niyo
niyo
pa
pa
ako.
ako.
May
May
isang
isang
basher
basher
nagsabi sa akin, Doc
Doc
Willie,
Willie,
even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What did I do? I never attacked Duterte. I never attacked BBM. I never attacked Lenny. I never attacked Pico. I am nice to them. I interviewed them. Is the politics just a game? What is happening to me? I will tell you what is happening. In the past few days, parang marami akong napapanigipan kasi. I saw my mom who is died. My mom died nandun siya. Kinukuha na niya ako eh. All my 60 years old, I serve Filipino people. Lahat ng charity, all my charity work in Salamat Doc, in Makabayan Doktor, in doing charity work in Pasay Filipino Chinese for 25 years. We always give it to the Filipinos. We will talk medicine.